What's the deal? It's Randall. I'm here with some good news today. Just got a new addition to the garage. One of the whips had to go. Unfortunately, it was the Magnum, as you probably saw in the last video. But we got something that's even better, and it's gonna give you a lot of good content to come. So without further ado, here we have a 2020 Widebody Hellcat Charger. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around. You know, we've all seen the Hellcats before. The difference is this one's a little bit thicker. We got the hips on there. Got the wider wheels, that aggressive stance, and it's completely bone stock. And so, being in Texas, you know how it is. It's hot. You know the heat will tear the leather up. And so the first thing I'm gonna do to this one, I'm gonna go ahead and get the windows tinted. And so we'll have more of the interior and everything else in the future. It's been raining since I bought the car, so I haven't really been able to make a video at all. But just wanted to kind of give y'all a quick preview of what's to come. Show you how we working, how we looking with the vehicle, and you know, this is probably the last time the car is gonna be stock. And so, once again, it's a 2020 Widebody Hellcat Dodge Charger, indigo blue, black leather, and this is gonna be the one. So, y'all stay tuned. But other than that, let's get to the tent.
Pulling up, shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In the bands, I be pulling up. Tell your friends, cause I'm pulling up. Ready or not, I be pulling up. Remember they said I'm not good enough. I took all the energy, turned it to greatness.
We just got my Charger tinted, so what I did, I went with a 5% window tint. It's real hot down here in Houston. I don't wear sunglasses a lot, and so I really wanted to get the most out of the UV protection and the heat blocking properties, so I went with a ceramic film. So let's see what we got. As you can see, we have 5% on all the windows, so that's going to be the darkest tint possible. And so, like I said, I don't wear sunglasses. I do wear glasses, and so I wanted to have the maximum tint possible. And so that's what we did. Kind of go through the theme. You see we have the blue and black thing going on, and so that's gonna be my first official mod, we'll say. Many more to come, but yeah, this is definitely gonna be an exciting project, and I'm gonna try and keep the content coming, keep the mods coming, but we're gonna see how far we can take this Charger in a short amount of time. And so just a real quick video. Like I said, it's been raining, so we haven't been able to do too much to the vehicle, but about to turn up. As soon as the little brown truck gets here with the packages, we're gonna get it in. So y'all stay tuned. All right, peace.